In this video, I'll show you how to create playlist on a YouTube channel. It's going to be a full guide video. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. The very first step for you to do is for you to be able to create your own YouTube channel. So create your channel. Once you've created it, go to the YouTube. You're going to be able to see this playlist option. So click on it. So you can come on here. What you need to do now, you can just type, let me say I'll type in test. We can make it public or private, or you can make it unlisted. So as anyone with the link can be able to view. So you can just put it, let me say private. Then if you want to collaborate with some of your favorite creators, what you need to do, you can just on it. Okay, I think it should be the public. Yeah, so you can just click on the create. So once you click on the create, you're going to be able to create your own playlist here on YouTube. So if you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the very next video.